everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with the two ColourPop palettes you see here. This is the Semi Precious palette, and this is All I See Is Magic palette. I honestly don't hear actually either one of these talked about too much. This one is on sale right now at Sephora for like half off, so definitely get over there and check that out. But anyways, I put together this look which I am calling the Winter Iced Berry look. So if you're interested to see how I came up with this look, then make sure to stay tuned. But before we get started, please make sure to hit the like button if you enjoy my videos, as well as the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a video if you hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to hop off. I'm going to do my liner, my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with my lashes and my liner. As far as eyeliner goes, I used my Urban Decay 24/7 pencil in Perversion, and I also put a little bit of the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Iced Mocha 617. So I did use that. As far as mascara, I did my typical L'Oreal primer, and then I actually used two different ones by Maybelline, the brown black and the black. This is the Lash Sensational mascara. I just wanted to put a little brown, you know, on the lower lashes to kind of try and make them look a little bit full, but not too bold. Of course, I want both very, very bold up top. So anyways, did use both up top, if that made any sense at all. But anyways, this is the final look using these two palettes by ColourPop. Again, they are called All I See Is Magic and Semi Precious. And I'm telling you guys, these palettes are gorgeous. As you saw, I only used this shade right here. I believe it's called Easy Go. When I read a palette, I read it like what's directly behind it. So as far as I know, it's called Easy Go. Whatever. That's the only shade I did use from that palette. As far as this palette, All I See Is Magic, you did see that I did use quite a few of the shades here to get this really pretty winter iceberry look, or at least that's what I'm calling it, iceberry. You know, whatever. I don't make sense half the time, but you know, I do it in my head. Anyways, that is the look that I got. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in so you can see the final product. And this is the final look using the two ColourPop palettes that you guys just saw. I think it turned out really, really pretty. I'm really happy with it. I think it turned out gorgeous. I love to just sit and play and see what kind of look I can come up with. So I'm going to zoom you guys back out. So like I said, these two palettes, they both came from ColourPop. You can pick this semi-precious palette up from Sephora right now. I believe it's like half off. So if you are interested in this palette, definitely jump over there. I think it might be like $10 or something. I could be wrong on that. I'm not 100%. But anyways, in this palette I did pick up off of ColourPop. And again, this was on sale as well. I'm not 100% how much it is right now. It could be $16, $20. I don't know. I really don't. But as far as the formula of the ColourPop eyeshadows go, I absolutely love the formula of them. I feel like this is more of a drugstore type of price. When I'm thinking about eyeshadow palettes, I feel like these palettes are really reasonably priced, and you do get a great assortment of different eyeshadows, and you can come up with a bunch of different colors. Like I said originally, I didn't even know when I sat down what kind of look I was going to come up with. I just like to let the imagination go wild. You know what I mean? So anyways, like I said, I'm calling this the Winter Ice Berry look. I hope you guys like it and enjoyed it, and if you want to see more looks out of these palettes, or even some, you know, other ColourPop palettes that you may have seen in other videos, then make sure to leave a comment down below. If you have these palettes and you have done a look with them, make sure to tag me on Instagram. My handle is Hotmessmommabusiness. I will actually, it's in my description box down below. So if you do a look with these palettes, like I said, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your looks as well. So that's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and as always, if you did, please make sure to hit the like button down below, as well as the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So until tomorrow, my friends, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye!